Before you're ready to send out your first email campaign with Squarespace, there are a few final steps to complete to ensure that your campaign is as successful as possible. First, you will need to create a sender profile so that your subscribers know who you are. This is the name and email address that your recipients will see in the From column of their inbox. Give your sender profile a name that will be familiar to your subscribers, like your brand name, for example. Once your sender profile has been created, you'll be prompted to verify your email address. A verification email is automatically sent to the email address that you added in the previous step. Copy the provided code and paste it into the sender profile area to verify your email ownership. This helps ensure that your email campaign will make it into your recipient's inbox as opposed to their spam folder. For best results, we recommend using a custom email address that matches your domain name. You can purchase a custom domain name through Squarespace if you do not already have one. Once you have a domain name, you can get a custom email address through our integration with Google Workspace. If you have a custom email address and you purchased your domain through a third-party provider, you'll be prompted to verify your domain. Domains hosted through Squarespace will be verified automatically. Third-party domains will need to be verified by entering the verification records into your domain provider's DNS area. Additionally, all email campaigns will include a valid physical postal address in the footer. If this is your first campaign, the address from your site's business information settings will display here by default. Otherwise, you can manually add an address before sending. Check out our next video for more information on building automations to take your campaigns to the next level. Please let us know if you have any other questions. We're always here to help.